Hello, welcome to Campos Coffee. My name is Will Young. I'm here to talk to you today about the Moccamaster, this fine looking machine here. You know, I've got 4 kids, I've got a puppy, my house is chaos in the morning, and I just want an easy machine to use. I find this ideal for my lifestyle right now. Okay, what it is, you got a machine here, you've got your filter papers here, you've got your coffee. We're gonna make 6 cups. So I've ground 45 grams of coffee. The coarseness of the grind is medium, like right in the middle. So it's a filter grind. First step is you take out your filter paper right here. What I do is I just kind of open it up, fold this like that, and then fold it again along the seam. Then I stick it in the funnel. So pop that in, put that there. Okay, it's ready to go. And then all you do, the machine's turned on, so you just pour water in and it automatically starts. So I just pour up to around number 4 or so. We'll just use this first run of water through to kind of rinse out the paper and also heat up our carafe, which is great. We've got this little latch, it's going to be closed so that no water can get through. And we're going to build up the water to about here, and then we can open it up and dump it all into the carafe. That'll take about 1 minute. So I'll go take care of the kids while this happens. Okay, great. It's about 2/3 full, which is just what we need. I'm going to turn it off. I'm also going to open this up and allow the water to run through. So usually in this time I'm grinding my coffee and getting more kids' stuff done. We're almost there. And you can see inside the filter paper is stuck really well to the funnel, so it's forming a good shape, which is what you want. There's no place where the water can miss the coffee and go down the side. All right, then I'm just gonna empty this out. Then I take the funnel and I put the coffee in. There we go. Give it a tap just to even it out. Then I put it back on. I fill up to number 6. There we go. Right to number 6, 45 grams of coffee. I turn it back on, and then you let it do its magic. You'll see the water start to spurt out, and the slow release of water over the coffee grinds really makes for a fantastic cup. You want to close the funnel so that no water goes through, because I like to hold it there and really brew the coffee without any water going through. It's almost like you're making a plunger on top of a filter mechanism. It's pretty cool for what it is. Now it's just filling up. You can see it just spurting on, just like someone would be pouring a coffee by hand, but it's the machine doing it. By the time it gets to around 2/3 full, if I have time, I grab a spoon and I give it just a little stir to get the coffee that's kind of been trapped in air. When I get it down, it's kind of bloomed a bit too much. So I'll stir it and also stir the bottom coffee as well. It's now come up to about 80% full. So perfect time to just give it a stir, kind of break the crust, give the bottom a stir as well. And then what I actually do is I actually put this lid on to keep it hot. I turn this off, and then I leave it for around 2 or 3 minutes. It could be 5 minutes, depending on what I'm doing, but around 2 or 3 minutes at least. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. I'm back. Now I've turned the machine back on. While it's building up the next kind of spurt of water, I just give it another stir, agitate the bottom again, and then I release the latch there, and the coffee starts pouring into the carafe. In about 1 minute, your coffee will be ready. It's just so good for a busy household. I can't give enough praise to this machine. Okay, so the water is just finishing settling through now. It's looking great. Your pot's almost full. You can see it dripping through the middle there. And what's great is that you can see all the coffee left over in the bed it's like a perfectly flat bed, which means you've really gotten a good extraction from the coffee. So when the coffee's finished, you can see it finished inside here. It's all dry. You close the latch here so it stops dripping. And you take your coffee out. So yeah, it's good for serving large groups. You can make lots of coffee and it's no hassle. And the consistency in the cup is is outstanding for just a simple filter mechanism like this. All right, so of all the machines, I find this is just ideal for a busy family lifestyle. I've got no problems with it. I use it every day, so please enjoy.